Choosing the best DMR for the 36 in Warzone can enhance your gameplay and improve your chances of winning. Here are some top options to consider. These are not even my picks. First is the KAR-98K, popular choice. It offers great damage and range, making it effective for long-range sniping. Now, with the right attachments, it can be very accurate and quick to aim. Next is the SPR-208. It's another strong option. This weapon has a fast fire rate and is highly customizable. So it can excel in both mid-range and long-range combat, giving you flexibility in different situations. Then you got the M1 Garand. It's a classic choice for its one-shot capability at long distances. With its powerful rounds, it can take down enemies quickly, making it a reliable pick for snipers. For players who prefer a semi-automatic style, the SKS is effective with its high damage and rate of fire. It's great to quickly take down multiple targets, especially in close to mid-range battles. Finally, you got the Type 99. It can be a great option as well. It offers a high damage and decent accuracy, making it a solid choice for players who like to engage from a distance. These DMRs, so they can give you an edge in Warzone, helping you dominate your opponents. Let me know which one you're picking. See you later.